Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint template design in PowerPoint. And uh, for your information, this template is available for free in the link in this description below. So you can check out my description for the link and download this template for completely free. And you can also check my Patreon for more amazing free content and PowerPoint slides from there to download them. So let's start. But first of all, be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel for more amazing content and fun stuff like these. And don't forget to like the video. And so let's start. First of all, what you have to do is open up PowerPoint, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna make different sections. You're gonna insert your images and your text and everything. So I have added a section right here and I'm gonna rename it. I have used this design word to rename it, and I'm gonna add this template design, and this third one. Let's remove the third one and insert this one. And there you go. Now, the next thing you're gonna do is select them. Now let's zoom the template. And what you're gonna do is go to the first template and open up and duplicate that first template. And the next thing we're gonna do is go to Insert tab and Icons. And from here, I'm gonna select one of the nice icon that I can use in this template. And so let me just scroll out here, let me just find some perfect icon for the design. And you can also choose your own icons because that will give the design another new shape. So let's just take this laptop image. I'm gonna insert it right here. Now let's go to the next template, and right here I'm gonna paste that icon and change this color to white. Now let's go to format picture of the background image. Now let's give it some shadow. There you go. Now go to format shape, and you're gonna give this picture a border. And we're gonna go to the third template and we're gonna paste that icon on this template as well. We're gonna select the background image. We're gonna go to the fourth template, and from here we're also gonna paste that icon. Now the next thing you're gonna do is go to this template, paste your image, and you're gonna go to shape format, give it some border design. Now go to the insert tab and go to zoom, and click on this option, and you're gonna select your other slides that you want them to be here and that you want to zoom. I have selected four of those and I'm gonna put them right here onto this bottom corner, and I'm gonna increase its size. Let's put each one in correct order. Like I'm gonna put the first one into the first place, and I'm gonna put the second one into the second place, and I'm gonna put the third one into the third place. Let's add the other sections as well. So I have selected others as well. And let's go to insert, and there you go. I have inserted them. Now I'm gonna increase their size according to that first section, and I'm gonna place them in perfect order. And I'm gonna place the first one, and then second, and then third, and then fourth. And to align them, I'm gonna select all of the four of these, and let's increase their size and put them towards the left of the template. Now, the next thing we're gonna do is increase its size more. And let's give some spacing between these sections. Let me just give some more spacing. And there you go. That's perfect. Select all of the four again and go to home and go to align and click on you're gonna go to align and you're gonna click on distribute horizontally. There you go. Now they are in a perfect order with equal gap. And now we're gonna move them a little bit down. Let's duplicate this first template. We're gonna select all of these, all of the four sections, and let's move them upwards a little bit, that this blue picture, that the second picture is visible into the slide perfectly. Now duplicate it to the third slide. We're going to select them all and move them, that this third picture is visible clearly onto the template. Now let's duplicate the template again and select the four of them. And now what you're going to do is move that fourth one image upwards. Now we're gonna go to our first image section where I have added the image and the text, and I'm gonna go to zoom. And there you go. We're gonna insert the sections. Let's increase that size. There you go. Now the next thing you're gonna do is insert your icons. Yeah, something like this. And insert your image that you had taken of the icon. From here, you can use this option to insert your own icons that you have downloaded from other websites, from Chrome or Google or any other website. So I'm gonna paste them on, and I'm gonna replace each of the icons on each of the template. That's how it works. Now let's go to this template and go to change shape, and we're gonna insert our other icon. Now go to Insert tab, and what you're gonna do is give hyperlink and zoom in each of the shapes and pictures. So be sure to watch this video till end if you want to do the following settings. If you want the same result, you're gonna do the same like I'm gonna do. I'm gonna select this image and select my template, that is the zoom, and I'm gonna give the hyperlink of that slide into this picture, that when I press this image, that slide that I have given in the link opens up, like it opens in a zoom manner. So I have given all the links, and you have to select this image. You're gonna give it a link as well. This is the last image, I guess. And that was all you had to do. This is the last image of our template, and we're gonna select it, go to link, and we're gonna give the link of the slide that opens. So that was all for today. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel for more amazing content and stuff like this.